Good morning, my dears. So I am again here with your maths class. Okay. So you remember last class is what I took. You remember? No. We studied after number, before number, in between, and one more and one less. So can I ask one thing? How many of you done the homeworks last class I gave you? Yes. Very good. Super. So if you are practicing every day means you will be maths will be very easy for you. So every day you should do. Every day you need to practice from your home. Then only maths will be very easy for you. Will you do that? Is it? Yes. Very good. Very good. Yes. So shall we start a new lesson today? Shall we start a new lesson today? Yes. Are you ready? Say, I'm ready. Yes. Okay. The name of the lesson is making 5. How to make 5? How many fingers in your one hand? How many fingers? Yes, 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers for us. Okay. So today we are going to study how we can make what? How we can make what? 5. How we can make 5. For that we can do with one. What is this? Bowl. What is this green color bowl? Okay. 1, 2, 3. How many bowls in my hand? How many bowls in my hand? 3 bowls. How many bowls? 3 bowls. 1, 2, 3. But for playing I need 5. I need 5. I need to make how many bowls? If I get 5 bowls, then only I will come and play with you. Ah yes, how can I make it 5? How can I make it 5? I need to, yes, I need to take more. I need to take more. Very good. Now how many with me? How many with me? Yes, 3 bowls with me. Okay, if we need to get 5, we need to count after what? 3 and after 3 till getting 5. After 3, shall we look? After 3, 4, 5. How many more I took? How many more I took to make 5? Yes, 2 more. Very good. How many more? 2 more. 3 bowls already there. Then 4, 5. So, yes. How many more I need to make 5? Yes, 2 more. How many more? 2 more. Yes. Understood? How many more I need to make for 5? Yes, 2 more. Okay, we will check pen and now. In my hand, how many blocks are there in my hand? Yes, 1. 1 not. How many are there? 1. But I need 5. I need 5. I need 5. What I will do? I need to, yes, count and after counting till getting 5. Till get 5. So 1 is with me. Okay. Then 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many in my hand? How many more I took to make 5? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how many more I need to draw here for getting 5? Yes, 1 is already there. Okay, then 1 after we need to count 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So, how many more I need to draw here? How many more? Yes, 4 more. Very good. So, 4 more. I have a 1 is there. But if I need to make 5 means I need to count and draw more. So, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many more I draw here? 4 more. Then now I get, how many I get? 5 I get. Very good. So, you understood more. Yes, okay. Yes. What is this? What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? 6 bowls. 6 bowls. Bowls in my hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bowls. How many bowls in my hand? 6 bowls. Okay, 6 bowls. How many bowls in my hand? 6 bowls. 1, 2, 3, 4, look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls in my hand. Red and green balls, but I need only 5 balls, no? I need only 5 green balls. So what I need to do? I need to cut it. I need to cut one ball. I need to cut one ball. I need to throw. I throw this one ball. Now how many in my hand? How many in my hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I get what? I got 5 green balls. Very good. I am very happy. I got my 5 green balls. Okay. So how many balls is there? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I done? Forgetting less or more? Less or more? Less. I cut one. That means how many I cut here? I cut one less. Very good. One less. I cut one less. So for making 5, I cut one less. No, before we have 6 balls, but we need only 5. For that we cut 1. Then we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood? Okay. We can do one more. So, for making 5s, for making another way is there. Okay, I will show that. Okay. Which shape is this? You remember which shape is this? Square? No, it is rectangle. It is a rectangle. Yes. How many columns I draw here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. What do you know? What is the name of this one? It's a frame. It is known as 5 frame. It is known as 5 frame. Okay. We can check it. In that 5 frame, shall we take one? Shall we take one? Okay. I took by put a dot inside one box. Okay. But we need to make it 5. We need to make it 5. How can we make this 5 frame 5? How can we make this 5? How can we make? Now we have only 1. If we need to make it 5, we need to draw more. Shall we took this box? How we can? We can draw anything. We can draw star. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we draw more. We draw more. How many more we draw? 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Very good. We draw 4 more. Yes. Understood? Okay. We will do another example. Okay. So what is the name of this box? 5 frame. Very good. 5 frame. Okay. So we have how many we have? 2. We have, how we can know these 2 boxes for us? Because these 2 boxes have 2 dots there. Then we understood these 2 we have. But we are not satisfied that. We need fully. So how we can make it 5? How we can make it 5? 2 already we have. We need to draw more. Okay, we need to draw more. How many more we draw? How many more we draw? 1, 2, 3 more. Very good. How many more? 3 more. Yes. Very good. So we understood. Okay, one more. Okay, one more time. Okay. Okay. Now we have. Now how many we have? How many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 4. No, we need 5. We need 5. So how many? Any empties you are seeing there? Yes, one empty box. Okay. Yes, we took that one also. Now how many more? How many more need here to make 5? Yes, 1 more. 1 more. Okay. So we studied how to make 5 by adding more. Okay. All of you look here. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many we have? 7. How many we have? 7. But we don't want 7. How much we need? We need only 5. So shall we take this full? 5 we took. And balance what we need to do? We need to cut. How many we cut here? 1, 2. That means more or less? Less. How much less? 2 less. Very good. 2 less. Very good. Shall we look one more? Okay. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Shall we need this 9? No, we need to make it 5. So if we need to make it 5, we can take this 5 fully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we took. Okay. Then balance what we need to do? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much we cut? How many we cut? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 less. Very good. 4 less. Okay. So you understand how we make 5. Okay. Then we are going to study how we will make 10. How we will make 10. So how many hands for us? Hands 2. Then how many fingers together? How many fingers for us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10. Okay. Shall we look how we can make 10? Okay. All of you look here. How many? What is this? These are chalks. How many chalks in my hand? How many chalks in my hand? 1, 2. How many chalks? 2. But I need 10 chalks for writing. This is not enough for me. I need 10 chalks for writing. How many chalks in my hand? How many chalks? 2 chalks. How many chalks in my hand? 2 chalks are there in my hand. Okay. So, but we need 10. Then only we can write on the board. We need 10. Okay. So, how we can make it 10? 2 already there. Okay. 2 after count till getting 10. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 10 chalks is there. But we need to check how many more we took. Already I have how many chalks in my hand? 2 chalks are there in my hand. So we need to check how many more we need to make 10. Okay. So 2 is there. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we need to check how many more we took. Okay. All of you look here. How many more we took? 1. This 2 I kept here. This 2 I kept there. Then more. How many more I took? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many more chalks I took? How many more chalks I took? 8 chalks. Look here all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more chalks I took to make how much? 10. 8 more chalks I took to make 10. Okay. Yes. So we can check it. 2. We have 2 chalks. We have how many chalks we have? 2 chalks we have. But we need 10. Okay. So we need to draw more. We need to draw more. 2 after count and check. 2 after what? 2 after what? Yes. 3. Then 4. Yes. 5. 6, yes, 7, 8, then 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So if I need to make 10, I need to draw more. 2 are there. 2 after. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 8 more. How many chalks I draw more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more. Okay. 8 more. Understood? Yes. Now, okay. 8 more chalks I draw here. Okay. So, we get, how many chalks we get? How many chalks fully we get? We get 10 chalks. Now, how many chalks are there? 10 chalks. But I get 2 more from there. So, 10, 11, 12 is there. How many we need? We need 10 only. We need 10 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But how many we need? We need 10 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Balance what we will do? We can cut it. How many chalks we cut here? 1, 2. That means 2 less. 2 less. Very good. 2 less. Okay. We can check another example. Okay. In my hand, some blocks are there. Some blocks are there. How many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks are there. But if I need to make a small cube, I need more. That means I need 10 blocks. Then only I can make a small cube by using these blocks. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there in my hand? 5 blocks. How many are? 5 blocks. I have 5 blocks are there in my hand. Okay. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. But I need 10. I need 10. Okay. So what I will do? I need to take, yes, I need to take more. Okay, 5 are there. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it is 10. But we need to check how many more we took to make 10. Okay, how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. How many more we took? 5 more blocks to make 10. Okay. Let me check. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? 5. But we need, how much we need? Yes, 10. So, if we need to make 10 means we need to draw more. How we will draw? We need to count after how much we have, we need to count after that. How much we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 after, yes, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So, we have how much more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. We have 5 more. We need 5 more to make 10. Understand? Okay. So, we studied making 10 also. So, you remember that 5 frame we draw here. 5 frame. Okay. So, like that here. What is this? I will show. Okay. Okay. This is known as, how many will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 10. So, what will be the name for this one? 10 frame. 10 frame. What is this? 10 frame. Okay. It is known as 10 frame. 10 columns are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So, shall we do 1 or 2? Okay. 2 we can do. Okay. how we will took 2? By? Yes, by putting dots. 1, 2. How many dots we draw here? 2 dots. Other all are empty. But it is 10 frame. We need to make what? We need to make 10. So 2 already we have. So we need to make 10 means what we need to do? We need to draw more. Very good. We need to draw more. 2 is there. Then yes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we took no. Yes, now we got. Now we got. So how many more we took? How many more we draw to make 10? How many more we draw? We can count and check. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more. How many more we took? 8 more. Very good. 8 more. First we have 2, but we need 10. If we need to make 10, we need to draw more. That means how many more stars do we draw? 8 more. Then we get what? 10. Okay. Then the 10 frame is what? Full. No, 10 frame is fully. That 10 frame has full of, we drawn with stars and dots. Okay. We can check one more. Okay. Then. How many we have? We can count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many we have? 9. But how many we need? We need 10. So one box is empty here. No? Shall we took that one? Yes. So how many more we need to make 10? Yes. 1 more. 1 more. Very good. 1 more. Yes. Very good. Okay, this we finish. So you understood more. Okay. How to make 10 by draw more. Okay. Now you look here. Yes, all of you look here. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much we need? We need 10. But here how much is there? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Shall we need this full? No, we need to make 10 only. So after 10 what we will do? We need to cut. Very good. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many I cut from here? Yes, count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6. 6 less. Very good. 6 less. 6 less. Very good. Okay. I can check one more example. Okay. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How much we need? We need only 10. That 10 we took. 10 we took. Balance what we will do? We will cut it. Then what is the answer? 1 less. So we need to less 1 less for making 10. Understand? Yes. Okay. We can do like see another example. So you understood how we can make 5 and 10. That means more and less we can use. Okay. So then okay, all of you look here. My friend gave me 13 flowers. How many flowers? 13 flowers. Okay. My friend given 13 flowers. How many flowers? 13 flowers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. But, how many flowers my friend given? 13. For decorating a flower vase, she gave me 13 flowers. But for decorating that one, I need only 10. I need to make these flowers 10. What I will do? What I will do? First I need to take 10 flowers from this. Shall we take? Yes, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 I took. How many flowers I took from there? 10 flowers I took. This only needed. No, 10 only we needed. Okay. After, how much came here after? After came what we will do? We don't want this. So we need to cut it. We need to cut it. That means how many is there? How many we cut here? 1, 2, 3 we cut. That means 3 more or less? 3 less. Very good. 3 less. 3 less. Okay. So here 13 flowers are there, but we need to make it 10. What we do? We took this 10 and balance we cut. How many flowers we cut? We cut 3 flowers. That means 3 less. Very good. We can do one more example. Okay. See, yesterday my friend came my home and she given me what? She gave me this. She gave me 4 lollipops. She gave me 4 lollipops. But I need 10. Then only I will happy. I need 10. I need 10. I told my mother I need 10. Okay. But my friend gave me only 4. But my mother think, how can I make it 10? How we will make it 10? How we will make it 10? Yes. She can buy more lollipops. Okay. So, she can buy more lollipops. Shall we check it? How many more lollipops do I need to make it 10? Shall we check? Okay. How we will check? This 4 already I have. This 4 already I have. But I need 10. I need 10. If you get 10 lollipops, are you happy? Yes. So, I need 10. So, what we will to do? What we need to do? We need to do 4 is there. 4 after count and we need to draw and check. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10. Now it is 10. So how many more I draw here to make 10? How many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. How many more? 6 more I draw. Understood? 6 more I draw to make it 10. You understand? Okay, I hope you all understand today's class. So after each class, what you need to do? You need to practice from your home. First, you need to do in your notebook the practice questions. Which are the practice questions? You see page number 17. Page number 17. Yes, lesson 3 and lesson 4. Page number 17, lesson 3 and lesson 4. And workbook. Workbook S3. Page number 14. S3 making 5. Page number 14 and S4 making 10. Page number 15. Okay. Shall we wind up the class? Yes, I hope you all understand today's class. Thank you.